another how-to with SBBlooms. Last week y'all voted on this look for us to recreate with our Millie Collection, and that is what we're going to show you how to do today. Just a reminder how the how-to with SBBlooms works is every Monday we poll our Instagram to see what trending Pinterest install you want to see. We poll you on what collection you want us to recreate it with, and we show you how to do it. So this week, like I said, we did a wildflower tablescape with the Millie Collection, and it really turned out so good. So we can't wait to show you the results. But now we're going to show you the products that we used. So first up, we have
the Baby's Breath Bush. Next, the Rose Loose Stem. This is a Real Touch Rose. We used 4 of these. Here is the Larkspur Spray. We used 2 of these. We used 1 of these Forget-Me-Nots. The next item we used is a Millie Cake Cluster. We used 2 of these, and these are also for purchase as well. The next thing we used are 3 of the Millie Posies. Then we used 4 sets of these gold Bud Vases. They're all the same height, they just come in different shapes. Then we used 2 sets of these Starburst Votives. All of our votives come with these LED candles, and they have batteries in them already, so you don't have to even worry about that.
There's no tools needed for this install except to cut your loose stems. We recommend wire cutters. All the stems are wire based. I don't think scissors would work too well. They won't work actually.
They won't.
So you need some type of wire cutters to cut the loose stem.
Let's get into it.
Show you how to do it.
First, start by laying your runner down the center of your table. This is optional, but we think it adds a nice touch to your tablescape and is another great way for you to incorporate a pop of color. Next, you will want to place your tableware. Note that we do not have the correct amount of cups and silverware, and this table that we are using is not your standard length. This table is a little shorter, so everything appears a little crammed here, but for you tables it will be a little more spaced out. Now you take your gold Bud Vases and space them throughout the center of your table. We used 4 sets of the gold Bud Vases, giving us a total of 12 individual Bud Vases. Once you have the Bud Vases where you want them, start adding your 3 posies. We did 1 posy per Bud Vase. Feel free to bend and move the arrangements around to get it exactly how you want it. Next we'll add 2 cake clusters. We split the cake clusters into 2 Bud Vases. In one Bud Vase we have the tall delphinium clipping with some greenery, and the other we use the white lilac and greenery. The rest of the Bud Vases will be filled with loose stem clippings. The next 2 Bud Vases we filled with 2 Real Touch Roses and Baby's Breath Bush. The other 2 we filled with Larkspur and Forget-Me-Not sprays and Baby's Breath Bush. For the finishing touches, we added 2 sets of Starburst Votives to fill in some spaces. We chose these votives because they were shorter and wouldn't compete with the height of the Bud Vases.
Alright, and there you have it, an easy tablescape wildflower inspired look with our Millie collection. Just a reminder, this is part of our How To with SBBlooms series, where y'all vote on a trending Pinterest pin that you want us to recreate with our premium silk flowers. We hope you liked today's tablescape look, and if you want to vote and have a say in what we do next week, follow us on Instagram and vote on our polls every Monday. Alright, that's it. We'll see y'all next time.
Bye.